Assalamu alaikum Habibis and Habibtis. Today we're gonna look at the top 5 things you should have before moving to Saudi. And number 5, this is a no-brainer, but some of us have no brains. Important documents. You should have these every time you move countries. This could be any legal document, birth certificate, marriage certificate, educational degrees, doctor notes. If it's important, make sure you have it because life demands it. Number 4, socket adapters. Now I know what you're thinking. Doesn't Saudi have some? Yes, they do. However, you should always have one on you because you never know when you need to recharge those devices. And let's face it, a dead battery will make anyone's life miserable. Number 3, these are your prescription and over-the-counter drugs. Make sure you do your due diligence and check to see what is and isn't allowed into Saudi Arabia. Now, most of the things you have at home are definitely available here in Saudi, but sometimes you get a peace of mind if you know the name you're dealing with. This could be your Excedrin, Midol, NyQuil, Neosporin, even Tylenol. But like I said before, you can find all of those, but with different names right here in Jeddah. And number 2, these are your favorite hygiene products. Now, I don't tell many people this, but I'm bald. And I like to use a certain type of shaving cream that's not available here. So what do? I make sure I pack up enough for an entire year before leaving the States every summer. So if you have specific products for your daily, weekly, or monthly routine, make sure you bring those things with you. Number 1, this may not be applicable to a lot of us, EpiPens. If you have a severe allergy and you need to carry these around, make sure you bring more than enough for your time in Saudi. Yes, you can find them here. However, it's not the most convenient experience. And besides, EpiPens are for emergencies, and emergencies happen at any time, so make sure you're well prepared. Want more information about living in Jeddah? Please leave a comment below and I'll do my best to get that information to you. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our page so we can share more with you in the future. Until next time, peace. Ma salama.